Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the temperature on your HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. So your device has two main heating elements, which are the CPU of your laptop and the dedicated GPU. So they are placed separately on the motherboard, and they provide basically all the warmth that your laptop generates. And to check their temperature, we have to right click the taskbar and open the task manager. Then we're gonna have to go to the performance tab right here, and here you will find the CPU, and we don't really have no info about the CPU temperature, but we have the GPU temperature, which is very close to your CPU temperature. For some reason we actually have the memory temperature here. Oh no, it's not temperature, it's a load. Okay, so here you can check the temperature of your dedicated graphics card, and it's pretty much the temperature of your laptop at the current moment. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.